In this video, we will discuss about N8N nodes. So here you can see that first of all, I want to discuss about some trigger nodes. Okay, so here you can see that we have a manual trigger. So whenever we work in the workflow, then we can test multiple times so that we can use manual trigger and the from trigger. Whenever someone submit the from, so if I click on this, there is a production URL, there is a test URL. So you can go through there and you can test using this link. So a Telegram trigger, sometime we can use WhatsApp trigger or other any other social media platform. This is the Telegram trigger. So schedule trigger, suppose we wants to schedule, that is we want to send our customer customer message every day at 8 a.m. So this is the schedule trigger. So if we call another webhook, so we can use a webhook trigger. So there is a Gmail trigger. If someone make us message on the Gmail, so it will trigger automatically. So here is another trigger, that is on chat message. So whenever we work on the workflow, so we can use one chat trigger. So workflow trigger, so this triggers is basically whenever another workflow is executed, so that time this trigger will be happen. So here is a from trigger, here is a article trigger. So yeah. So here's some trigger as well as action triggers, that is get email messages. There is a different type of email, add email and other stuff. So if I going to here, so if I going to Gmail, so you can see that there is a lots of actions here: delete and create craft. Also there is a get many threads and other stuffs. All of those things we can add here as like a trigger. So here is a Google Sheet trigger, Notion trigger. So as we can go to move for the next, we can use those trigger a multiple time. Like this is a date and time trigger, this is the current date and time, or you can set any other date and time, or you can set the date based on the time zone. This is the date format. And if we go to the options, there is a from the time zone and ID. So we can, suppose you are working from the USA, then you can set this time zone. So we will see that this triggers multiple times as well. This is the merge trigger. Suppose there is a two input. Suppose this is the one input, and another, this is the one input. So those two things, this merge. So this is basically the merge trigger. So I hope you understood. This is the merge triggers. So we can append, we can combine, and we can wait and other stuffs in this merge trigger. Another thing is, this is the filter trigger. So we can filterize lots of things. We can there is a two operation, and this one and another is one. So we can add here some conditions based on the previous output. Okay, so yeah. Another thing is aggregate triggers. And another is if trigger. So this is the basically logical things. If there is a this type of numbers, then it's come to true. And suppose we are collecting email and website email and phone number. So if we have both of those things, we can move forward with the true. And if we do not have the both of two, then we can move to the false. So this is the basically if and else conditions, this type of things. So this is the split trigger. So we can do multiple things using split trigger. And set field, we can define the value and other stuffs in the set field. So we can get some data from the previous nodes, and we can set it as its own way. So here is Swiss node, and we can split out on the using the split trigger. So yeah. So another thing is, this is the powerful. So we can write here code. So we can write here JavaScript code, and so that you can filter out all of those previous data based on the code, and it will give us output. So we will use it. And this is the another most important thing is HTTP request. So we can use it multiple times. So HTTP request means we can collect data from another website or any other platforms using API. So there's a many kind of method, that is get and post, patch. So basically most probably we use most of the time get and post method, but other method we will use yeah. So Previously I discussed about the webhook as well. So here are some notes, that is AI agent. So in the previous video we discussed about that in AI agent there is chat model, memory tools, and we use the sentiment analysis and text classifier, as well as a basic LLM chain for workflow and question and answer chain. So to the plus icon, we will see that there is lots of nodes here. So here is the AI agent and the OpenAI basic LLM chain and information extractor and question and answer chain and summarization chains and text classifier and all of those things, evaluations and other stuffs. So if I going to here action in app, so there's a bunch of app like AWS, Slack, Notions, lots of apps here. We can integrate here using through the API. Okay, so that's basically all about the node. So we can explore lots of things from this diagram. So I hope all of you guys are really enjoy it, and you can explore from your own end.